what is gold standard and how you can benefit and make money online using it. So smash that subscribe button before we start for more free tips and tricks about affiliate marketing and reviews videos like this one. So the gold standard is a new affiliate marketing course depends on YouTube traffic. The course are suitable for anyone and at the same time is friendly for beginners, and it have new methods and strategies about generating traffic from YouTube without showing your face or recording your voice, and also without having an advanced level talking English. That's why the course is suitable for everyone. So this is some benefit from the course. Totally no be-friendly method, earn while you learn, no putting your face on camera, no tech skills required, no email list or website required, full video training provided, and so much more. So here in the sales page, online marketing methods not working, you need the gold standard. So I suggest to see this video here. The gold standard are created by Dawud Islam and Arrange Gold. And Dawud Islam is top 5% affiliate and top 10% vendor and warrior plus, and is multiplied deal on the day winner. And this is some result using the gold standard methods. You will get all this, a simple method to earn daily online, step by step, easy to follow videos, lots of free additional training and resources, no tech skills needed, totally newbie friendly, no need to put yourself on camera or even make videos. The gold standard work perfectly in 2021. And this is some bonuses you will get if you have been from the first buyers. The first bonus is become a beta tester for half the regular price. The second bonus is private Facebook group with the free additional training each and every week. The third bonus is massive product bundle. Get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 20 top marketers. The bonus number 4 is resale rights to 20 of Dawud previous products. And then the bonus number 5 is dedicated customer supports 24 hours 7 days a week supports from our top team. You will have 100% money back. So let's take a look inside the course. So like you see, this is the demo of the course. You will find inside the overview, the main training, the resource, conclusion, the bonuses, and the upgrade. So it's clear guys, and I doesn't need to talk too much. The gold standard is a course of how you can benefit from YouTube without showing your face or recording your voice, and also without having an awesome English. If you want the course, you will find it in the description below, and don't forget to give the video a like if you benefit from it. And yeah, stay safe guys, and see you in the next one.